Yo, 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 yo. What is going on, my friends? 3 to the 1 from the 1 to the 3. You woke up this morning and you chose trading with Jdun, which means DOD. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it, my friends. Let's get this live going. Good morning, everybody. This live stream is not financial advice. Let me repeat that. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's get it, y'all. Good morning, everybody. Don't. What's up, DGO? What's up, Young Lord Dagger? What's up, Titan? Living, Tavita, Perry, Chris, Braxton. What's up, guys? Yo, 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 what is going on? Team Bull Money Team. What's up, Crazy Glock? How's it going, bro? Very good, very good. Nice. I do legs on Wednesday, too. Well, I'm not doing it this week because my knee, but I typically do legs on. Yeah, just get an enormous left leg. Yeah, I was gonna say it's like that episode of Family Guy where Quagmire has the big arm. Don't ask why his arm's big. I was never a big TV show guy either. I was more of a South Park guy. I loved South Park growing up.
I like shows. Sneeze.
Bless you, even though you're probably muted. Much respect to you, my G. You changed my life. Love, bro. Appreciate your support. South Park's hilarious. The founders are from Colorado, too. Founders are from Colorado. Dun, dun. April 18th. What is this Saturday? April 18th. Yep. How was the rest of your morning, Grizzly Glock? You doing crazy? Doom. HTT. Sorry, I'm trying to work on something on the computer quick, guys, and I'll be in action. A lot of you guys have been asking for it. The next free live training is going to be on this Saturday, guys, at 8 p.m. Eastern time. This Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys have been wanting to get registered, come learn my strategy in real time. You guys can click that link. I just pinned it. Yep, that is pinned it on the YouTube. Come tap in. Pullback day. We'll see. We've been very choppy pre-market. Honestly, we were choppy pre-market and aftermarket. Let's see. Asia was horrible too. For you guys that traded Asia, was it just kind of looks like it was just kind of flat? I mean, look at that. It's a horrible 40-point range. It looks like Asia was just awful last night. Damn. There was nothing to trade there. That's terrible. Yeah, that's no bueno. That's the type of price action you see right here in Asia that will literally just cook you. There's no trend up or down. That's that stay away, go and touch grass price action. You don't want nothing to do with that. Yeah, London wasn't great either. I mean, a little pullback, retracement for move down, but not a whole lot. It is free, La Quinta. There's an upgrade if you want a premium seat, but it's free. It's 100% free to register. Congratulations. Yeah, if you saw the next video, your seat's confirmed. You're good. Yeah, it's 100% free, but if you decide you want a VIP access, you get my DOD quick start playbook we made, my trading psychology secrets handbook we made, a psychology masterclass from Jared Tendler, and a 25K Apex eval. So you're ready to learn. So it's a good deal. But yep, it's free. It's 100% free to join and come learn. So tap in, baby. I send 200 comments to your live. I appreciate you, bro. Let's see here. Jdun the goat, I appreciate you, bro.
So after
We don't have a whole lot to work with today so far. But we caught a banger yesterday. We caught a banger. We got a real banger, spicy trade the day before. So I'm hoping we can keep that momentum moving. But that being said, when you see this, let's scroll this out a little bit, guys. What is this? Enormous move up. And I'm talking 1,000-point move up in 2 days. What's the possibility that we see today? What do I always tell you is a very real possibility after we have 2 aggressive trend days, enormous trend days in a row? What's the possibility? Who's been learning and listening? Got one person who got it right. 2. Chop. There's a decent probability that we just chop and consolidate. It's not, I mean, we could have another massive trend up day. We could have a massive trend down day. But a lot of times after you see multiple, meaning more than one, aggressive moves in a trend direction, you'll see consolidation for a day or 2, or sometimes a week. It just depends. We might not. We might see the biggest trend day we've ever had today. It's possible. Is it likely? I'd say no. What's up, Ryan? Welcome, bro. All right. As a reminder, guys, I just pinned the next free live training. This Saturday, I'm hosting a free live training for y'all. I put something really special together for you guys to learn what it takes to become profitable, to learn my strategy, and to fine-tune any of the trading mistakes you may have been making lately. So if you click on that free live training in the pinned post on the YouTube, you'll find it also on TikTok. If you click my profile picture and click it again, you'll see on my page that I have it as well. I'm going to ask this a few times, but if you've ever been to one of my live trainings or any sort of training that I've held or given you, did you get value, yes or no? I got to know. To the tube and the TikTok. Yes, gas. Best training in the game. Yes, hell, yes. Awesome, guys. So go get yourself. Went on a 2-week win streak after the last one. That's awesome. So go get yourself. I'll post the link a few times in here. I got my coffee too, so you know what that means. How do I sign up for your training? It's right here. I just posted it. All right, folks. Well, so you know what, Team Bull? I realized I never picked a winner from the giveaway yesterday. I got off and just forgot about it. And so we're going to pick that winner today. If we hit another banger, maybe we'll do double. Maybe we'll do double trouble. Not gonna lie, from when I started to follow you, my trading is much better. Let's go, baby. Keith Smith, that's real. It was just more private, low key one. Just for email list. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. We were very choppy pre-market, very choppy in Asia, and very choppy in London. So we'll see what they give us today. Jeez. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. Yep. I couldn't believe I was up. I was up a little late last night. I was watching that Phoenix and Portland game. I couldn't believe Portland came back. I couldn't believe Portland came back. I actually wanted Phoenix to win. I don't like Portland. No specific reason. I just wanted Phoenix to win. Not about the city, but I don't like the basketball team. That Heat Hornets game was tough. That was tough. The Jailblazers, yep. Jaden, you're the GOAT. Appreciate you, bro. Don't. Yeah, Charlotte did go crazy. Nope, you get your email, you're good. So close to trading full time. Nice, bro. Though I recommend you have at least 2 years of consistent profitability before truly trading full time. I'm down for it to be a full-time income for you, but it shouldn't be your only income. Speaking of which, if you want to see the state of the trading space and what people think about trading and what it's going to take to become profitable, just look at the comments on that video I posted about the PDT rule being removed, not necessarily being like a good thing. I guess it's not a bad thing. But everyone's like, oh, the PDT rule's removed. That means I can take as many trades as I want. Bro, you shouldn't be taking 100 trades. And even before the PDT rule was, it's not removed yet, but it will be in the near future. Even before that's removed, you could still have a cash account where, say, if you have $10,000 and you take a $5,000 trade, you still have $5,000 more of buying power. And once the day's over, your cash settles overnight. You can trade all your capital again. All I was saying is that the good disciplined traders you don't need to be taking 15, 20 trades a week. I get not wanting to be restricted. I understand that. But the point's deeper that disciplined traders should be more than fine with a cash account. And also, guess what? Everyone that's talking about this, a lot of them are trading futures. Pop quiz. Does the PDT rule apply to futures trading? Just pop quiz. Let me know. To all the haters that are in my comments, I want you to tell me how the PDT rule being removed is going to help your futures trading.
Can you hear me?
Now I can.
Okay. I've been dealing with this. My mic was ready to went out. Feedback.
No, futures are not affected. So if you're trading options, well, guys, if you have less than $25,000 and you're a beginner, you probably should be on a cash account so you don't blow yourself up trading options. Just saying. And if you're not a beginner and you only have 25K to trade with, which in the grand scheme of things, guys, like you're talking hundreds of millions flowing through the market at all times. Like you still want to be careful. I don't think cash accounts are a bad thing. But now you'll have an intraday margin system where you can just rip as much as you want. I think cash accounts are great. It has nothing to do with prop firms. No, nothing. Someone commented on my post and they're like, yeah, Jdun, you're just saying that you don't like the PDT rule removed because you're a prop trader. I'm like, for one, where in that video anywhere did I say anything about prop firms? For two, it's apples and oranges. They have nothing to do with each other. People like to act like, oh, you couldn't day trade without 25,000. Yes, you could. You just had to have a cash account. That's it. It was so difficult. You had to pick up your phone and you had to call your broker and say, Mr. Charles Schwab, can I please convert my account to a cash account? Okay, it will be settled in about 2 to 3 business days. Okay, that's it. Apparently that's too much for people. Yes, but you were limited by amount of cash. But a lot of people shouldn't be taking 3, 4, 5 trades a day anyway. Well, and then people argue, they're like, well, I only have a $5,000 account. Well, are you full porting? If you have a $5,000 account, right, your max risk, like say you're trading options, okay? If you have a $5,000 account, I don't want you risking, and this is on the high end, more than like 5% of your port a day. So if you have $250 of risk, all right, that means your position size is going to be probably $1,000 per trade with 25 points of stop loss or 25% of stop loss. That means you could have 5 different trades of $1,000 before you ran out of buying power. Well, probably 4. I mean, if you lost the first trade. You get what I'm saying? Like, even if you have a $5,000 account, you shouldn't like you don't have to. You shouldn't be full porting it on options. Like that's why cash accounts aren't a bad thing. But you know what? It's going to be gone now. It doesn't matter what I think. So if you have a 5K account, you want to just go rip it and take a million trades and not listen to DOD, you can do that and report back to me on how it goes. I know how it's going to go. That's not how I want it to go. Anyway, there's my morning rant. I'll shut up now. What sets the POC? The point of control? It's set on the indicator that I use. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk on why I genuinely don't think the PDT rule being removed is a big deal. Yep. So Gene is actually going to start trading on my other YouTube account, my Team Bull trading one, because I'm going to start going live for Asia sometimes too. And was having some trouble with this one. So he'll still be on live every single day in Team Bull. That doesn't change in the private community. And then also on his TikTok and also on the Team Bull trading YouTube. You know, honestly, I have no opinion whatsoever on which way the market goes. It was very choppy in Asia and London. There's a very good chance we just chop today. That being said, I always welcome the idea that we could have an aggressive move up, aggressive move down, or maybe we just stay flat. All right, guys, market's opening. Let's trade smart, trade safe. As a reminder, this is your daily reminder to choose DOD, discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, useless dopamine. A lot of you have seen glimpses of your profitable self. You've had days where you execute great. You've had weeks where you feel confident like this is moving in the right direction, and it only takes one day of breaking your discipline to throw that all in the garbage. So choose DOD today before you take any silly trades. Tell yourself DOD. Let's get it. What's up, Grizzly? Sorry, I was finishing my start of the day speech on DOD. Let's get to the money. Preach it. DOD locked in. That's right. Market's open. Make that money. Best believe we're going to make that moolah. Yep, I remind you guys of that every single day. Every single day. Jdun and I have made 10K in payouts thanks to you and DOD. It's really such a positive mindset to have, even when it's not the easiest. I'm telling you, it will change your life. You let it, and you embrace it, and you dive into it, it will change your life. All right, everybody, let's go. And that Tesla orb paid yesterday too. That Tesla orb paid yesterday too. You got anything on watch today, Grizzly Glock? Anything that you want to see that you're watching right off the rip? There's not a whole lot that I see that I'm watching or like. Not a whole lot that I've seen that I like so far.
What's up?
I was asking if there's anything you like.
Not really. Not until the first 15 minutes.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for those. It's just hard to short any of these rejects because we've been so strong.
Yeah.
Like the freaking Hulk, just straight up.
Zoology is trying to confirm some shorts here, but I don't take anything based off the first 5 minute candle confirmation. Or is that goes?
Yep, I don't either.
Good trade.
That's all it takes.
I like the pattern day trading rule being removed. It's going to cause a lot of gambling.
Dude, were you listening when I just went on my TED Talk / rant thing? I kind of figured.
I'm trying to get everything straight.
Yeah, I'm on the. I'll just repeat I'll give you the keynotes. All I was saying is that with that going away, it doesn't. First of all, people forget that it doesn't apply to futures, so it was never a thing with futures trading. It didn't affect futures trading. It was only options and stocks. And so, say that you have a $5,000 account, which is a pretty good beginner account size. Say that you want to take a lot of trades. Well, with a $5,000 account, you shouldn't be risking over $250 on any given day. That's 5% of your account. So if you want to take, say, 3 or 4 trades, hypothetically speaking, in a day, which you shouldn't be doing, if you're putting on $1,000 of risk per trade with a 25% stop loss, which is pretty fair for options, that's $250 worth of risk. So you could technically take 3 or 4 trades, and you shouldn't do that because you'd be down $1,000 in the day if you lost all those trades. Point being is that you could still take 3 or 4 trades in a day, and you would run out of buying power for that day. You'd get it back after it settled the next day. Why do people want to nuke off 3, 4, 5, 6 trades a day when everyone knows where that ends? Gambling with losses. Yep. Wall Street's licking their chops. Sure. More liquidity in the options market. So if y'all want to be liquidity for Goldman Sachs or a big hedge fund,
I'll sell the options to you.
yeah, you will, Grizzly. Option sellers are going to be feasting. I should be doing more option selling. And you need bankroll to do it. Like, to really make significant income, you need 6-figure account. But
a lot of the money comes from the option sell. You think it just comes from premiums, but sometimes when you get assigned them shares, you just get caught in a massive clump. You end up selling the shares you want for a very nice profit plus.
Yep.
So I think the premium from covered costs. Question you, who makes the money? What's the plays I like? I'm not saying you can't just make good money, steady money from selling cash security puts.
Yep.
Liquidity strategy.
Yep.
I've been closing out my cash secured goods like 50% to 70% profit, premium collected. I've been closing mine out before they expire and just re-entering. I'm not taking any shorts. I know these all just confirmed in the first 5-minute candle, but even so, I don't take it in the first 5-minute candle.
As a reminder, guys, the next free live training I put together for you guys is this Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I pinned the link on YouTube. It says free live training. You can see it there. And also, if you're on TikTok, if you click on my profile and click it again, you can tap that and get registered. Every time you don't take what?
Every time I don't take a Grizzology confirmation, it usually
Yeah, it just goes.
prints. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna go either way here. You have a bounce area you're watching? Anyone?
Dude, honestly, I don't have a whole lot pre-planned that I'm watching. You look at the daily chart. I want to see how we react and hold 26,000. But besides that, our next real resistance is up at like all-time highs, basically. 26.3 to 26.4. We're not far. We're only like 400 points away from all-time high. Pretty crazy. The great bear market of 2026 lasted 3 trading days. I think the bear market is truly going to come when no one expects it. The bear got back. That's a taste of his own medicine. That's crazy. We ain't getting chopped or getting another run up. We'll see. We might. It's certainly possible. I gotta start cooking on those 5 Lucid funded accounts I got. Got them funded in a day. I haven't taken any trades on them yet. I got my black coffee. Now we're waiting for a winning trade, guys. We're 10 minutes in. I typically don't trade for the first 20 minutes. I say the first 15, but it's typically the first 20 minutes I do not trade. So I'm just going to wait, stay patient, choose DOD, and wait for an A+ setup. What will your risk on the 50K fundeds be? So when I'm trading these 50K fundeds, how I've gotten on my payouts is I typically only trade from anywhere from like 2 to 5 micros at a time per account. There's no need, especially as you're getting your groove trading with these prop firms, to start launching minis. Now, if you build a buffer and you get some confidence swinging those, you can. But I'm just saying the reason, like, prop firms want you to use larger size. They want you to have massive P&L swings because ultimately it's going to end up in you blowing your account, you getting them paid. I know it's not sexy. It's not what you want to hear, but it's the truth. I always tell y'all, if you trade with me and you learn from me, it's boring, but it'll get you paid. So you have a choice. If you want to have boring trading and make money and use that money for fun outside of trading, you're in the right spot. If you want to have fun trading and take a million trades and have money to buy not a damn thing outside of this, then you're in the wrong spot. You can go find some streamer that will feed you 5 or 6 or 7 trades, so you can blow your account and then use their code to get them paid. Which I do appreciate you guys using code Jdun, but only if you're being smart with it. Only if you're being smart with your capital and with trading these prop firms. That's the only way you're allowed to use code Jdun, is if you promise me you're going to choose DOD. And not hamster wheel churn and burn through prop accounts. I have an account right now with code Jdun. Let's go. The Tradeify bonus program is a great DOD challenge. Anyone else have any Tradeivate issues? I haven't seen any, but I also haven't taken a trade on Tradeivate, so I only have my live broker open right now, which that was a good reminder. I should have my Tradeivate open. My Tradeivate looks good, but I also haven't taken a trade. You never trade. Good morning to you too, bro. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, my guy. Just signed up for the VIP class. Let's go. Yeah, make sure if you guys haven't already, get signed up for the live training on Saturday. You've been seeing me trade live in real time. If you're looking to hone in your psychology, hone in your discipline, hone in your strategy, fix some mistakes you've been making, it's a class for you. All right, guys, we almost have our 15-minute range in. Jeez, Louise, what was that? Okay, 15-minute range is in. Interesting reaction there. We get an aggressive push down below VWAP, strong close, and then immediate push back up. Let's see, 26,030, 26,060. Like, if we weren't so aggressive, you know what I'd look for, guys? I would look for a move into here to short with stops above this high. Does a 2-bar work on other time frames or only on 5-minute? I've only tested it on the 5-minute. Here's the problem: was with 1 minute, you're going to get so many different signals. Like, yes, some will work like this if you're on screen share. Like this 2-bar worked. This, well, it currently isn't working. Right? You're gonna have so many different signals that it's gonna come with a lot of losses. which I always tell people, if you want to trade in the 1 minute chart, you can. You just have to have really strict risk management. You're going to get a lot of signals. You're going to take a lot of trades. I don't like taking a lot of trades. I found that for myself and for basically anyone who's ever done it, it ends in losses over time. Hey, Jdun, when do you mark out the 15-minute high and low? I just have an indicator that does it. It's called Grizzology. Made by my boy. He's part bear, so he actually lives in the woods. But before he went into hibernation, he made this indicator. Guess bears like to go sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this market to get some direction. I don't trust this this retracement here. Not with how the trend's been. I don't trust it. Could work. I don't trust it. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I won't take it. This is your reminder, guys. We're 15 minutes in. Choose DOD today. Let's go. Trade smart, trade safe. The moment you think about taking a stupid trade, I want you to imagine I'm in your room with you, in your office, over your shoulder, saying, don't you do it. Don't you take it. That's not DOD.
Any trades?
The ghost of, nope. The ghost of Jdun will haunt you if you take bad trades.
Try that again.
Y'all are ridiculous. You see anything you like, Grizzly?
No, have you taken the trade?
Nope. I was saying initially that with VWAP up here, point of control, if we weren't so strong, I typically would have watched for a retracement up. Yeah, for shorts, but I was like, I don't trust this. It's too strong. So just going to wait. We've hit bangers the last 2 days. We've each hit a banger the last 2 days.
Yeah, I had one losing trade so far. 2 winners, 1 losing.
Yep.
Where's reach? What's he gonna reach? Got housing news at 10.
We have data at 10. Yeah, see, I wouldn't have taken this short now anyway. Elijah Rigdon said, I got a poo. Don't take anything without me. All right, guys. Trading operations are paused. We have a student / trader in the chat that has business to take care of. So, Mark, I need you to pause. Not allowed to take any trades till he gets back. Sorry, guys. You know, I'll give it to you. We got a code brown, everybody. We got a code brown. Give it to you. Got the first and last name on there with the courage to come and call a code Brown. I'll give it to you. You got courage, and I like that. I respect that. I think it's going to take you a long way in your trading. Trading takes a lot of courage. Takes a lot of grit. And the fact that you are confident enough to come out and say that means that you got the grit that it's going to take to be a winning trader. I respect that. Kudos to you. Come on, guys. Y'all are ridiculous. Y'all are crazy. Y'all crack me up, man. I hope there's no gridlock there. Yeah, me too. I really hope that it doesn't keep this range. Sometimes when you see back and forth action like this, you'll get, and I'm not saying this is going to be today, but you'll see like this. And I don't trade ranges like that. I don't trade the roller coaster. I'll ride roller coasters. I like roller coasters. I don't like trading them in the stock market. I would rather, again, I tell you guys this literally every day, sometimes multiple times a day. You are a day trader, not a trade every day trader, and not a take every trade trader. This is not Pokemon. You don't have to catch them all. You don't have to trade every day. If there's no setup, there's no trade. If you miss your A+ setup, there doesn't have to be a trade. Your job every morning is to come in and consistently execute on a day-to-day basis. Dun 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 dun. Where's the clown mask? Oh, it's here. It's waiting for the right opportunity. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to take my next trade with me, Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun on their 50K Trade of 8 end of day account. You can also use code Jdun on Lucid, which is 40% off, and Tradeify, which is 40% off as well. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, we're on a nice winning streak. We've been crushing it. Getting some big trades. I don't plan on today being any different. Though that being said, I'm not perfect. I sometimes am human. And we do lose trades occasionally, but not often. Unless it was like 3 weeks ago. That week sucked. Besides that, it's been great weeks for like a year plus straight. What's your opinion on top one? I don't have an opinion. I don't affiliate with them, and I won't, but I don't have an opinion. I'm not taking any more partners. I'm partnered with Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, Alpha, FFF, and then Vanquish for options. And again, what do I tell you guys always with prop firms? What do I tell you guys literally every day? I think that they're a great tool. I think that you can utilize them to be in your favor, but they're not the end-all be-all. I ultimately want you guys using prop firms to get valuable experience and have skin in the game. It's way better than paper trading. And then work on getting your payouts, build confidence up, and then focus on building a live account long term. That's the ultimate end goal for y'all. What's the best way to deal with losing streaks? Size down. You got to build your confidence back up. If you're on a losing streak, if you guys have been on one, or eventually, which you will go on a losing streak, the best way to curb that is to size down and slowly build your confidence back up. Stem the bleeding. If you see yourself bleeding, think of it like a cut. If you see yourself bleeding on the arm, and you're not going to just go and rip the cut open so you bleed more, that's what a lot of y'all do when you're trading, and you self-sabotage yourself. You got to stem the bleeding. You got to slow it down. Otherwise, you keep trading and trying to get it back, you're going to hemorrhage. And that can't happen. Not if you want to become consistently profitable. Stuck in a spike hall. Why are you stuck in a spike hall? Sell it. If you're stuck in it, you should never be stuck in a position because that means you didn't have a plan. Oftentimes when people are stuck in a position, they say, oh, I'm stuck. I can't get out till it goes back to break even. Well, you're already not following your plan at that point. Already not following your plan at that point. You're already behind. All right, let's see if we can get a trend-setting candle above the 15-minute high. It looks like we might get it close. But ultimately, I don't think it'll have volume. Trade Hunter said, I have been bleeding for 2 months, only using one MNQ at the moment. Not seem. I said, this is growth and discipline. May not seem like it sometimes, but it is. If your account is bleeding, if you've been blowing accounts, then ultimately you're going to be better off taking it slow. Here's the deal, guys. Same as always. If you guys get this to 500 likes on the YouTube, you guys qualify for a 50K account giveaway with Lucid, Apex, or Tradeify. If you guys get to 110K likes on the TikTok, again, you guys have like 800 people here. Tap that screen over and over. 110K likes, you'll qualify for a giveaway as well. Hit the like goal, get an account, which I do my best to help you guys with discipline, do my best to help you guys learn and stay on top of things every day. Get your fingers moving, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. This is the DOD live stream. It's actually really not that crazy. Get your fingers moving in your trading finger. Why is volume so low? There's a very real possibility that we just chop. So we'll see. I'd like to see higher volume on this breakout candle. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. Nope, we're not. So here's the deal, folks. When trading this traditional orb, very important here, I would have rather seen us have higher volume. If we had higher volume on this candle right here, I'd look for retest down and long entry. I don't think it's invalid per se. I don't think it's necessarily not valid, but let's look at it like this. If it's at 43, your entry would be at like 60. You could try it with like 20 points of risk. I wouldn't dog you for that. It's just not as high probability. You typically will see more follow through. What's our pre-market high here? So I guess that's a positive factor. Let's see it. Let's see how this candle goes. Thinking about testing longs, guys. I have my finger on the trigger for longs. I like how we got that higher low in that candle and that pullback. We don't have a lot of volume, but it might be one of those days where we just trend up on lower volume. Let's see. If we get a strong volume candle in here, I'm open to trying the longs, guys. I'm not going to put on full size risk. I'll tell you that right now, but I'm open to it. I'm taking 1 million trades now that the 25,000 rule will be gone. Well, you'll be taking 1 million trades till you blow your account. I say that very respectfully. It's just math, man. It's just math. We're going to get higher volume here. We got 1 minute and 15 seconds left on this candle. Numbers don't. It's true. Risk reward speaks facts.
All right, everyone. If this candle closes stronger, I'm trying long, stop below pre-market high. So 26,048 will be my spot. So we got to see where this candle closes. We got 30 seconds.
Yep, I'm going to look for a pullback into this candle. If we close strong, I'd rather see us close like 80, pull back down to the 15-minute high area, and then keep stops below like 40. 8 points below pre-market high.
All right, I'm going to start my position. I'm in longs, stock is below pre-market high. It's the orb retest entry.
I'm watching for a slight pullback too. I'd like to see a slight pullback for longs. Just slight.
I'd like to get up around the 26,100 area to trim. But you all trim as you see fit. Same setup we took yesterday, basically.
Yep.
Stop loss is below pre-market low. 26,048. But in it is the failed orb attempt.
Trying a small piece of longs, guys. I tested it. Tested it 60. Tested the longs at 60, everybody. Keeping stops at 40, so only 20 points of risk.
No, average is 69.
20 points of risk. You need to look for at least 80 for 1-to-1, guys. Has to get above 80. I'd like to see high a day, but at least 80 for 1-to-1.
All right.
Come on, push it up, baby. Push it up. I'd like to see high a day out of this, which is above 85. I've not trimmed, even on that 15-point move there, no trims. I'll get stopped at 40, or I'll get my price target above 80, or ideally above high a day. I have hard stops in at 40 on MNQ. We got like a 15-point move, but not enough. Not enough for me to take any off. If I'm risking 20, I want to have at least 20 points a gain. Now, if we get a strong close up here, say we close this 5-minute candle at like, I don't know, 75, I'll likely move my stops up. Or typically I would move my stops up. I don't really have a lot of risk on. I got a good fill on that, around 60, so. I wish we would have had some continuation up on that candle. It looked really good. We went up on that to like, well, it was like 77, but not enough for me to take any off. There is the possibility today that we play some games and chop around. If that's the case, then my risk is managed. My stops are still set at 40. I'm going to let this play out. It's either going to stop me out or it's going to move to my price target. I'm only about half size risk on today. Look at the Tesla chart. Tesla looks like it's strong just from my first glance over. Looks great. Looks good. Look for a pullback too. All right, come on. Let's push up. At least 80. At least 80. Come on, baby. Come on, sweet thing. Don't make me get the bull mask out. Well, yesterday I took the bull mask out. It didn't do much. I grabbed it and it started hesitating. We're doing it. Let's go. Where's my freaking bull mask? Give Benny the bull his price target, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Give me the price target. Ye to the ha, baby. Come on. Push it up. What you know? All right, nope. It's going against us. Take it off. This chart actually looks good, though. We have 2 wicks up. You can tell that we had the right idea regardless. So they said, take it off. I'm sorry. I took it off. Almost at 1-to-1, guys. Above 80s, 1-to-1. I don't like that. Needs to quit with the games. Just nuke. With how bad action's been, Almost there. Come on. Almost there. Dude, almost there. Come on. One aggressive push. Come on. A little more. Little more. We got up there. I didn't get to trim. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. It literally went and touched 80, but I didn't have any orders set. I want to see a push above where I have a chance to sell. And I did not take any off there, guys. All right, come on. Push. Push. You can manage your trade how you see fit. I want to see a push to high a day. Come on. We touched 20 points, but not, it was really fast. Sounds like I'm delivering a baby. I'm trying to deliver you a winning NASDAQ baby, and now it looks like we're reversing. Come on. Do something. I want to see a push above 80. And I'm following my plan. I don't care if it leads to a small loss. I need to see a push above 80. Come on. Come on. Do I have a bear mask for when I want it to dump? You must be new here. Welcome. Come on. Taking a little off up here, guys. I'm trimming. Trimming up here, guys, above 80. I took off half my position up here. I don't like how price has been moving. I took off half my position up here, guys. Half my position. I'm going to put my rest of my stops below this 5-minute candle low. So there'll be a small green trade regardless. I'd like to see us move up to 26,100, ideally. I don't like how price has been choppy through pre-market. Come on, 20 points so far, 23 points. There we go, high a day. High a day, guys. This is the spot for over 1-to-1. I'd like to see 26,100, but going to guarantee this is a green trade regardless up here. There we go. A shout out Ben NQ, who comes in and hates every day and said, beautiful, easy shorts. These shorts are just going incredible. You're killing it, bro. Wow. I'm not even a hater, but when people come in and hate, you got to dish. Yep. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yep, I'm taking a little more off up here too. Feasting, bro. Feasting. Feasting. Stops at break even. Almost got that price target. Let's go, everybody. Yes.
I got my stop at 69.
Let's go. 40 points, baby. This is how we do it.
All right. Taking one more trim here, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
That was awesome, bro.
Hey, downside, I didn't catch that on my eval. Only my personal.
Let's go, baby. And my stops are set at 61. At break even, guys. I'm going to let the rest cook. That was awesome, guys. Let's go. Absolute money bags, guys. All right. We need to get some positive energy flowing. 3 for 3 from your boy Jdun and Grizzly Glock. If you guys made money on that, talk to me, chat. How much y'all making this morning? 40 points again and counting. And counting again, guys. Counting. Run it back, Turbo. How are we eating this morning? Talk to me. How much did you guys make on that trade today? 860, 600, 1200. Textbook setup, 650, 700, 820, 350, 300, 1900, 1400, 330, 1100, 300, 1200, 400, 700, 212, 816, 222. Let's go. Money bags entry, baby. 40 points and counting. We're going up, up, up. Beautiful week so far, guys. Beautiful week. Yes, let's go. Let the runners run, baby. Gosh, my life is complete. I've gotten 3 big ones this week. Got a big one Monday, got a big one Tuesday, got a big one Wednesday. Yes. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. It's textbook money bags. Hey, just got fun. And if you guys want to learn the strategy, I'm hosting a free live training this Saturday. It is 100% free for you to attend. All you got to do is tap in, click that link in the announcements tab, and go get yourself registered. Go get yourself registered for the free live training. If you guys enjoyed that trade and you want to learn how to confidently execute yourself or fix your psychology issues, tap in. Free live training, guys. Come on. Go get yourself registered. He probably pays people to say fake numbers. Yeah. Everyone here, I have 1,300 people here on the YouTube stream on payroll. They got us, guys. Where do people come up with this stuff? I'm just amazed. If you're in the TikTok, you can register on my page. If you click the top left corner and you go to my TikTok page. All right, that's worthy of it.
Beware, guys. He's paying people in his live streams to come in and say he made money on a trade that he just called live. He called the entry, he called the exit, and he's still paying people to come in and say they made money. Beware, everybody. Watch out. He's out here scamming, giving winning trades.
What? We love you and we pray for you, bro. You need it. Okay. People people think the mask is hilarious. I think it's kind of funny sometimes too. Yeah, as a reminder, guys, go get yourself registered for the free live training. The mask is funny, but it's unprofessional. Well, for the most part, we stay professional and boring here. Got to spice things up a little bit. We made some money on a trade, got nearly 50 points with minimal drawdown. Textbook setup, strategy confirmed, stops at break even. Now we just wait and chill. It was awesome, guys. We'll run it back. If you guys caught part of that trade, post your gains in the post your gains tab. We'll do 2 giveaways today. I forgot to do yesterday's, so we'll do 2. Tag and post your gains. And we'll get it. Textbook setup, yes. Now make sure you guys are all registered for the free live training on Saturday. Whether you're struggling to become profitable or whether you want to scale your trading. We're on. Yeah, this isn't CNBC. We love the masks. It's kind of fun. That was fire. Bro said, where's the sign up to pay about gains? Where's the job application? I have my stop set at 61, guys. I'm letting this run. I don't have a final price target yet. I got funded from this trade. Should I choose standard or consistency path on Top Step? I mean, honestly, it's whatever works best for you. If you guys are having trouble registering for the webinar, or you want me to send you the link personally, you can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. DM me on IG, mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the live training or to the free training. You can DM me on IG if you're having any problems. Jdun Trades. I am still in. Yep. I'm still in this trade, guys. Stops are set at 61. I haven't moved my stops. As always, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun. Hopefully that trade helped you guys pass some evals, get funded, make progress in your fundeds, or even maybe qualify for a payout. I trade live every morning, bro. All you got to do is hit that follow button here on TikTok. That's all you got to do. You're welcome, Jay. Appreciate you all being here every day. I'm also live on YouTube as well every morning. No get rich quick BS. Just coming in, trading a systematic approach every day, locking in a dub or two and enjoying the day. We're at high day now. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Look, oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm taking off one more contract up here. Taking off another one. Remainder stops still stay the same at 61. Look at that, guys. Yes. Yes, yes to the yes, baby. Cooking on stream, baby. Cooking. Absolutely cooking, guys. That's exactly what we wanted to see. We want more. I swear to you guys, I will. If we don't stop out, I will hold this trade all day.
All right, T-Boo. I'm gonna push up. I got my last of my runners. I couldn't move it fast enough, so I'm out.
I'll hold it down for you, bro.
I didn't expect that to move up so quick. You know, I had my limit up there.
That was crazy. Textbook setup, guys. I have my stops now. I just moved them to 71. Final move. So my final stops are in 10 points in profit. Now, what do I remind you guys? Literally every morning after we catch a banger. If you have FOMO, if you mismanage that trade, because with all due respect, I know at least one of you guys did. Maybe I'm talking to you. If you sold too early, if you entered too late, if you just plain out missed it, there's no need to have FOMO because this setup is repeatable, it's profitable, and it will come again. If you allow yourself to succumb to FOMO and to revenge trading and to tilt trading and to emotional-based trading, you are going to dig yourself a hole that's going to weigh down your account profitability and it's going to weigh down your confidence. The setup's going to come again. There's no need to have FOMO. The market's not going anywhere. You're going to see the same setup to the upside again. Next time we hit a downside setup, you're going to see that same setup happen again. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. The best thing you can do for yourself today is to keep accountable, ask yourself and be accountable with yourself. Why didn't this trade work out? What did I do wrong? And how can I fix it for tomorrow? And that's how you grow, even if you didn't catch the trade, even if you somehow managed to lose money on this trade. Doesn't mean you're a bad trader, doesn't mean you're dumb, doesn't mean you're stupid, doesn't mean that has anything to do with your trading ability. You just mismanaged today. So what? Tomorrow's a new day. Yep, DOD's the play. It happens. You choose DOD, good things happen. We seriously could hit all-time highs very soon. I really think we will. Cooking. This trade screwed up my consistency. Well, if you ever need to lose money on a prop account, just for the record, like if you have consistency rule and you make too much money, all you need to do is go to the account and buy and sell micros over and over again until you lose the amount you need to lose. It's only for props. So let's say you made $500 and you have to be at 400 for consistency. Well, obviously don't trade minis, just trade micros. Buy a few, wait, and sell them. I guarantee you guys, if you keep just doing that, you can get down to your consistency area. I think you should take max payout, AAA, AAA. Well, this is great. Oh my gosh, guys, we might get mega trade out of this. My man giving away industry secrets. You're a good person. Love, bro. Don't. All right, y'all. I need to piss like a dang racehorse, so I'll be right back, all right? I'll be back in like 2 or 3 minutes. Order filled. Order filled. I know that, guys. Some of y'all. I know someone was just like, what the? Sorry. I had to do it. I had to do it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I had to do it. I should have just said, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. Someone would have been scrambling. Oh my God. Oh, man. Stop filled. That should have been the next one. Oh my gosh, we're still in this trade, guys. Still in this trade. Literally 8 points away from mega trade. Oh, so now it's luck. Do it again. Huh. Let's see. So far. Yeah, boy. Let's get this all. I ran from my garage. It's terrible. So funny. I'm gonna put my stops at 100, guys. Straight up. Just 100 flat. What a great day. Do you have a video where I can learn your strategy? I have many videos on my YouTube, Jdun Trades, but even better, you can register for the free live training on Saturday and come learn too. Heat-seeking missile of a trade, baby. Absolute heat-seeking missile of a trade. It's only 8:30. That's crazy. I swear, I say this all the time. Whenever we hit banger trades, it feels like the day takes forever. What a scam. Caught 90-point runner. It's all scams. Sorry, guys. I scammed you out of too many winning trades. I scammed you that you're going to have to... pay more in taxes. Actually, we don't say that word today. Nope. I'm not saying that word today. It's not allowed. This trade helped me reach payout eligibility after learning to trade with you for 3 months. Let's go. Jdun. Jdun trades. Land trades. That's how y'all imagine it. Yeah, where'd the guy that came? Someone guys told me I was an idiot for longing and the shorts are beautiful. I wonder how that's going. Well, hey, does someone have a life support check? I don't think bro was doing too hot. Again, I'm the last person who's gonna hate on someone losing a trade, but you come in talking tea, you're gonna get it made dish back a little bit. Warp Shot has been on fire. Oh, whoops. I'm not 1 minute chart went out of control. All right. As a reminder, too, guys, if you want to join the free live training this Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, or if you want the recording after and you're having problems, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. If you guys have any questions or if you need help getting registered, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live and you'd like access to the live training. Yep, it's also in my TikTok on my TikTok page, and it's on the what's it called? It's the pinned comment on YouTube. That was awesome, guys. We're on a nice winning streak. As always, I appreciate you guys using code JDUN with Apex, Lucid, and Tradeify. If you're trading on Lucid, I recommend you guys the 50K Pro accounts. It's like $111 after discount. People, they have the fastest payouts in the game. That's one thing I love about Lucid is they have the fastest payouts in the game. Alpha Futures is cool too. You can use code JDA on there. They're just the least used. Out of all the analytics and all of my students and you guys that rock with me and make our community what it is, Alpha Futures has been the least used. The fastest growing is Lucid. Tradeify or Apex is still the top, and personally my favorite for scalability. And then Tradeify is right there too. Yeah, their marketing's goated. $283 for the day. Thanks, my dude. That's awesome. Yup. Apex, baby. Same firm I got a 50K payout from. Let's go. I pray for your health so you never miss live trading. This is your reminder, guys, too. I am going to be out of live trading from May 5th through May 13th. So for the week of from May 5th through May 13th, I will not be on the live. Gene will be on my live streams for me. Gene will be trading on my live streams for me. I'll be out on a tropical island far away from here. Taking my whole family on a vacation. My mom, my grandma, my siblings. It's pretty. I'm really excited. I haven't went on an actual vacation in like 2 years. It's been a really long time. Miami doesn't count. I hate Miami. I can't do it. I'm too old for Miami, man. And I don't drink alcohol. I don't party. So, like, I liked Miami when I was younger. And when I used to, like, turn up. But, like, to me, I'm just super happy and blessed. I get to take my fam out and we all get to spend time on a beach together and make memories. So, yeah, this is your reminder. This is your reminder that, what was I going to say? I lost my train of thought. I will not be there. How dare you go out and enjoy your life and not make 100-point trades every day? And, you know, I might tap in. I might come on, like to the Zoom on Discord. Like they're in, where I'm going is in Eastern time. So I'm going out of the country. You know, Nick, that's funny. You said you can go to Miami and get a rental GT3 RS and be like all the other traders out there. It's funny. That's actually why I got a GT2. So you can't go rent a GT2. I wanted something you couldn't go rent. No one tells me the GT2 is a rental. Like no one's gonna rent you one of those. I am retired to the small. I don't call it small. So the $60 you made with DOD today means a lot. That's awesome. So you're retired. Imagine if you averaged $60 a day. If you average $60 a day for 250 trading days a year, you just gave yourself an extra $15K a year in retirement. Obviously taxes and such, but still, say after taxes you got, I don't know, 10,000. That's still an extra. No one's saying no to an extra 10K a year. No one. I don't care what these gurus say to you that you have to be making 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 a day. Most traders lose. People forget that. 95% of traders, maybe even more, will lose money over time. So if you want to be in the 5% that make money and keep money, you need to choose DOD. You need to manage your risk. You need to control your emotions. You need to do everything that I try to preach to you guys every single day. Stick to a consistent system. Take less but more quality trades. All of these different factors add up to you being consistently profitable. But then you got Poonslayer84 on the internet who comes in and says, no, Jdun, you need to take 5 trades a day and catch every setup. No. Hush, Mr. Poon, enough. Stop preaching bad habits to our people. Grizzly Glock, you still here? You're still in the Zoom. I thought you Irish goodbye us.
Anything else you like, Jdun?
Not really. I'm done trading. I'm still in that trade.
Are you still in it?
Yes, I have my stop set.
Like I said, the news can wake up, that might limit movement.
Yep. I'm actually very proud of my execution and trading at the upside the last few days. So I prefer trading downside.
Great the day that we actually trend stops and we tried to set up.
Yep.
Next trade I take will only be on you.
For those of you asking, if you want access to the free live training this Saturday, if you want to learn my strategy, fix your psychology mistakes, hone in your discipline, and better your trading for the coming week, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free live training. DM me on Instagram, Jdun Trades. Yep, 100-point trade. Officially spicy trade. Officially spicy trade, everybody. Officially a spicy trade. $100-point heater. $100-point heater on the live, baby. Bro never trades, by the way. I expected more from someone named Jacob. I thought we were supposed to be bros. Expected more from you. Can't believe you turned on me. Coming in hating with the same name. That's foul. I mean, you know, people like Benji that come in and hate. I expect it, but us sharing the same name, bro? Sharing the same Jacob name and you're hating on me? It's messed up, man. It's messed up, bro. Us J's got to stick together. Oh, bro's gonna make me cry. $100-point trade. I joined the live while he was crying. Genuinely thought you was. Maybe I should start. Maybe that's an algorithm popper. Can you buy now? I mean, I personally would never recommend chasing ever. Too late to add a position? Yes. Also, in the meantime, if you guys, I know a lot of you guys went and messaged me on Instagram. I got to get to my DMs. If you want the link sooner, you can go to my story and just reply learn. It'll automatically send it to you. So if you are busy today, if you don't want to wait for me to reply, you can go to my current Instagram story on Jdun Trades and reply learn, and it will automatically send it to you. Just so you guys know. If you don't want to wait for Uncle Jdun to reply. You can just go top of my story and reply learn, and it will send it to you. Honestly, it's been very surprisingly clean price action for near all-time highs. If you've traded with me for a while, you know that I typically like to complain a little bit about all-time high price action. It just takes a lot more discipline. But this has actually been pretty clear on the way back up. I'm not saying it's easy. I'll never say it's easy, but for how I trade, there's been a lot of follow through. Now, I always like to refrain from being like, oh, this price action is so great and so easy because what works for me, maybe it's not working for one of you. And there's going to be a time where you might have 3 winning trades in a row and I can't, and I can't buy a basket. I can't hit anything. It ebbs and flows, guys. But one thing that stays consistent is that you need to manage your risk. One thing that stays consistent, whether you're winning or I'm winning or we're both winning, is that we both have to choose DOD and manage our risk. And if we do that, we survive the losing streaks and we get to enjoy the wins. One more trade, please, Sutter. Still cooking. Still literally absolutely cooking. Oh, you guys that are sending me learn, you have to reply to my story learn. You have to reply to my story learn. Got to go reply to my story learn. My stops are still at 100. Still at a hundo. What you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. What you know, pump it up. Crazy member. Oh, we'll get our time to short. It's just not right now. Just not right now. The trend's up. What do I always tell you guys? Trend is your friend. One of the fastest growing prop firms on our partner list, you guys, is Lucid Trading. You can get 40% off your first 5 accounts. They have payouts on average in less than 5 minutes. You request, paid, money to your account in less than 5 minutes, which is bananas. I don't know if y'all understand how actually bananas that is. People have been loving their 50K Lucid Pro accounts. Use code Jdun for 40% off. Am I done? I still have my final runners on this trade, but yes, I'm not calling any more trades. I'm choosing DOD. Have been enjoying. This partnership. Yep, choose DOD. You don't need one more trade. The market's not going anywhere. Why would you chase all the way up here? No, that's your dopamine talking to you. Can I put the bull mask on for you? I'm gonna wear the bull mask. One of 3 evals passed. Thank you, Jdun, for changing my life. You have no idea how much my life has changed the past 3 months. That's awesome. I appreciate you, bro. Those messages mean the world to me. All right, I got to pick these winners from the post-year games. Otherwise, I'm going to forget. In the Discord, I'm going to give away 2 Apex 50K trade of 8 accounts. You guys could still get here in YouTube. All you got to do is you got to get these likes up to 500. You're almost there. You're like 75 likes away. Hit that thumbs up button on the live, baby. TikTok almost got there too. 30K likes away. It's a bummer. I just use your code to get 50K flex. I appreciate you. Y'all don't understand why we can't get 500 likes. Y'all must hate me. It's all the haters in here watching. I love you too, baby. If you guys are in Colorado, I will be at Supercar Saturday on Saturday. I will be at Supercar Saturday on Saturday. If you want to come say hello, if you're a serial killer, you are not invited. Everyone else, I would love to meet you and have you come. Please, if you plan on like doing some weird shit, don't come. But as long as you're not like Ted Bundy or something, then you can just come on by. I'd love to meet you. Love to shake your hand and tell you DOD. Power hour today? I'm not sure. Probably not. Probably not today. I've never been to San Antonio. Nope. J Rod said, Jdun, Just wanted to say I appreciate you, man. The way you help everyone with their trades and keep things clear in the middle of the chaos, it really makes a difference. Not everyone does that. I appreciate you, bro. Seriously, messages like that mean the world. Appreciate you guys more than you know. Seriously, thank you for helping us. I've been following you for a month now. You've taught me a lot. Appreciate you. Thank you, Jay. The auto reply on Instagram should. If you guys, if it's not working for you or whatever, I mean, you can still just send me a normal message. But if you send me learn on Instagram story, it will send you the link. I promise. It's awesome, Finley. You know what that name reminds me of? It reminds me of WWE. Any of you watched that back in the day? My name's Finley, and I love to fight. Bro, and I was in an elementary school. You could not have convinced me the WWE was fake. There's no way. It wasn't happening. Forget about it. You tell me it's fake, you are crazy. You are out of your mind if you think that WWE is fake. Quick little Rey Mysterio 619 or a Batista bomb? Oh man. Don't try to tell me that's fake. Hornswoggle. Oh yeah. Hornswoggle. Fighting words. Oh yeah, no, you weren't telling me it was fake. Still moving, guys. That was awesome. A milli. Oh, whoops. There we go.
What a nasty trade.
Nasty. I'm still in this, bro. It's got my baby runner going, but still. Over 100 points.
I just didn't expect that quick.
Slept
That's
like.
gonna be the only trade for me today, man. They'll go. No high for you. Though.
Yep.
Well, I'll see you about the morning. I'll catch another winning trade with you.
See you, bro. Not gonna lie, I pulled out way too early, bro. You can't keep doing that. She's gonna get mad. No, you can't, bro. You gotta hold your trades to their price target, man. You gotta maximize your risk reward, bro. Come on. I expect more of you, bro. Come on. you gotta stop. Gotta stop pulling out early, man. It's gonna kill your risk reward. It's going to destroy your risk reward. Can't happen. Pause. Bro said pause. Look at that, baby. I gotta get a screenshot of that too. All it takes. Let's go, Marcola. Yeah, Spy's been cooking too. Too late to get in for a scalp. Why would you want to chase a trade? After watching what we've done and hearing me scream at you about having discipline and lecture you about being disciplined and trading smart and trading safe, why at this point right now would you try to scalp a trade? If you see an A+ setup that you like, sure. But why are you trying to take a trade just to take a trade? You're itching for that dopamine, man. This isn't a game. This is a business. You have to treat it as such. What's up, bro? I hit a banger this morning. Look at that. I'm still in too. Still in from 60.
Back 2 hours later.
Yep. Look at that. Still in from 60. Literally, nuke or trade.
Been catching like 100 points on the daily.
I know. Get killing it. I don't know why. I usually hate trading upside.
I don't know, cool.
I know. It's crazy. I usually don't like all-time highs, and I don't like trading consistent slow grinds up. I'm ready for that Nuggets game Saturday. You bet. You think I'm going to miss? Got the first Nuggets game Saturday, then have later that evening have the free live training with y'all. So if you're ready to choose DOD and level up your discipline over dopamine, make sure you guys get registered for that free live training. If you're in the Discord, the link is in the announcements tab. You guys can also DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades if you want access or the recording even to the free live training. DM me on Instagram and mention that you'd like access to the live training. Oh, shit, y'all hit 500 likes. Let's go. Okay, well, I'd rather just drop codes. So let me see if I can... Let me see if I can call the plug. Hey, what up, plug? What's up, bro? What are you doing? Well, of course you didn't. You gotta stop being a degen, man. Yeah, just out here. Damn. Well, that's fun. I'm happy for you, man. Where are you at now? Nice. Nothing, just catching banger trades, bro. I've been on a heater. Dude, the longs, just 3 days straight of just the longs, bro. Just missile up. I know. Yo, I need some codes, man. The people are hungry. I want to put my community onto more Apex. Let me get some codes for the fam, baby. I said I had to call the plug. I'll be right back. I love those end of day counts, man. Baller. I'm sure that's been a hit. For sure. For sure. When are you coming to visit me in Colorado, man? I miss you. Let's do it. I'll be around, bro. As long as it's not after May 5th. After May 5th, I'll be out of town for like a week and a half. Dope. Let's do it, man. I'm excited to see you again. We need our whatever that one steak was called. Yes. You fire. We got to run it back on those. Yeah, let me know on those codes too, man. I got the people hungry. You're the best. Peace. Let's go! Apex giveaway inbound. Apex giveaway inbound, baby. I recommend, if you win, I recommend the Tradeify, or not Tradeify, Tradeivate, excuse me, 50K end of day evaluation. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, G, I don't know what's going on. I've just been on a heater with these longs. Does the 2-bar work on gold? It can. It's a price action strategy. It can work on any instrument that you're trading. Congrats on the banger. You've been crushing it this week. I'm trying. Goated AF. Let's go. I'm disappointed. TikTok got the. Oh, we got 110K plus likes on TikTok too. Everyone gets a giveaway. Damn. All right, Team Bull. I'm picking the first 2 Apex account winners in the post your gain section. I got codes. As a reminder, whenever I get codes from these firms to give away, I never use them for myself. I buy my own accounts, and anything they give me, I give away. Anything I get for y'all is given away. Then I buy my own accounts when I can with code Jdun. All right, first winner. I'm just going to pick one. First winner of an extra account to help scale up. We're going to go with Joe Gaspard. After 4 years of trading and 2 years of futures trading, I just qualified for my first ever payout. Thanks at Jdun. He just got his first payout qualified with Apex, and we're going to add another account to help scale your trading as well. Congratulations, my guy. Congratulations, my guy. Free Apex account winner. Let's pick a second one. This one's going to be random. Gene, tell me when to stop scrolling.
Stop.
Stop. Oh. We got Spelunk. Thanks, Jdun, for teaching the ways of DOD. Still in it with a little piece. I watch the lives every morning and wait to confirm the strategy I've learned with what you say. It's helped so much in testing my knowledge and trading. So far, we've had a pretty consistent streak. Let's go, Spelnut. Free Apex account. Bada bing, bada boom. Congratulations. All right, YouTube. Y'all are next. Y'all better be ready with your Apex accounts open. Y'all better be ready with your Apex accounts open because this is first come, first serve. Same with y'all TikTok. This is first come, first serve. So if you have an Apex account, you got to have it open with the discount part ready. As a reminder, you can always use code Jdun. It's only $35 for a 50K trade of end of day account, 1 day pass, end of day drawdown. And I personally, with the trades that I take, do my best to help you guys pass, get funded, and get paid. You've seen that. If you've been trading with me for months of the last year, you see it every day. All right. Y'all better be ready. Y'all better be ready. Because in the next minute, I'm posting 2 codes. I'm posting 2 codes. Oh, they're here. Oh, whoops. Nope. Oh, whoops. They're not going to go. Code 1. Code 2, they're posted. They're posted. They're posted. They're posted. Code 1 and code 2. Alert. Alert. They're posted. They're posted. They're posted. They're posted. Let's see who gets them. They only work for 1 person each. 1 person each. Any account size. And TikTok, you just got your code posted too. It'll work for one person. I just pinned it. First person to use it on TikTok. One person. What do you mean lame? You got to be quicker next time. Alert said I got it. Thanks, Jdun. You're welcome, bro. Y'all got to be fast. Or if you want to have a better chance of winning in the post your gain section, you can join the free Discord. I was quick. Be quicker. All right, you guys. As a reminder, if you want to join the free live training this Saturday, I'll post it one more time in the YouTube. And then if you can't get it on here, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Here, I'll post the link like 5 times. You can click any of these links and join the free live training. Register for it, even if you just want the recording. Okay? If you can't get in, you can send me a message on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free training. One more time, that's Jdun Trades on Instagram. JDUNTRADES. All right, guys. Thank you all for being here. Glad we can catch another winner. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on the live. I won't be live for Power Hour. God bless y'all. See you in the morning. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Trade smart, trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. DBAI, don't be an idiot. Peace, everyone. Bye. I'm out of here, Team Bull. God bless y'all. Bye, everybody. Make sure you guys get registered for the free live training. Peace. Bye.